Today's a big day because I have been waiting on this package from China, and the company said for me to do an unboxing video, and I didn't know whether or not to do it in English or Chinese, so I'm going to try to do my best Chinese. 今天我很高兴，因为这个盒子到了，从中国来。我今天要看这个盒子，我要让你看什么东西在里面。好的。See what we have here. Looks like everything's here, but I don't see any instructions how to put things together, so we're going to try our best. So I have put everything together, I believe, and it looks like it's in pretty good shape. I will say it would have been better if I had directions. This would have been a much quicker video. But I think I have everything in one piece, and soon we're going to get a sample and we're going to test it. Follow us on No Longer Abandoned. This is going to be one of our businesses that we start to help support our children's home. And stay tuned for more videos.